and then Metal M is my second favorite. Sorry. I be forgetting shit. Can y'all say happy birthday to my homie Amba Singh?
Wait, hold on. Oh,
hey, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Amba Singh. Happy birthday to ya.
No, wait, no.
What?
No.
What is that? It's a name? What is it?
Yeah.
What is it?
What?
It's saying I'm busting.
Oh my god, bro! How, bro?
He didn't say like he didn't even say it like that though.
No, he did. He did. When he
did?
said happy birthday, bro, he definitely said that shit.
No. Oh.
I knew it was weird. I said that's a weird name. I said that.
It's crazy, bro.
I'm trying to tell him too.
He did say it.
Oh,
Bro,
I
y'all
definitely
gotta stop.
thanks,
Put that on Twitter committee, please.
bro. We trying to sing happy birthdays and y'all.
That was so dolly, bro.
Y'all are out of control, bro.
It was so dolly, bro. Please put that on Twitter committee.